no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review by Klaiyi hair. So let's jump right into it. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. I also do have pictures of the items that I am using, like my sprays, my tints. It is pictured in the video, so y'all make sure y'all are pausing so y'all can, get a little screenshot so y'all can pick that up along the way. So right off back, they give me some baby hairs that I really didn't need. Thank you, but no thank you. This part is optional. If you did want to use those baby hairs, you can. But I didn't, so I went on and just plucked it all the way off of the lace. This step is optional, of course. They low-key did pluck this hairline, but again, I am just going to go in just a little bit more, but I really didn't even do too much plucking myself, so. This wig is a kinky straight texture, so she is really soft, but she does have that nice fullness. She does come with 3 combs and adjustable straps. I don't know why I get so lazy around this part. Definitely cut off the lace in the back of the nape area, y'all. As y'all can see, they give y'all a lot of lace to work with, but I'm gonna cut all that off. Instead of using that light brown beige wig cap, I am going to use a black wig cap instead. I did want to straighten her out without losing the texture, so I did have her on a low setting heat. y'all can see I just busted out my wand curlers and I just proceeded to just curl my hair just to see what it's gonna look like. No, I wasn't gonna do another updo, even though that would have been cute, but I feel like I would have liked a smaller barrel to work with. So these wand curls were able to give me some loose body wave type curls. I love it, even though y'all will see like the texture throughout the wig still, because I didn't want to straighten her all the way out. Also I did add layers to her. I didn't record that because I was getting really frustrated in this bathroom, because I'm like, why is this hair not giving? So overall, how I feel about this wig, very easy install. This wig is like every other wig that I've put on this channel. Like, it's very easy. If you've been following me with my channel and you've been following my steps and you feel like you've gotten better with, you know, your wig application because of these steps, well, y'all already know at this point, if you put on one wig, you've put them all on, you know. Again, I really love this color. I really love the texture of this hair. What I will critique about myself though, because I am going to critique while I'm watching it with y'all, I feel like I sprayed too much of my tint spray. So my spray kind of clashed with my makeup, and if you can see like my hairline a little bit, you can see that you know, that line of demarcation. Trust me, y'all, this hairline, this lace melted. Y'all seen, you know, before I put on my makeup how it melted into my skin, but as soon as I put my makeup on, I'm like, why are we not, what's going on? Why y'all didn't communicate when y'all was laying on top of my head? What's going on? So next time, this is what I feel like I should be improving on when I'm applying these wigs. So yeah, I would like to thank Klaiyi Hair for sending me this wig so I could review for you guys. If you want to go pick her up, everything about her will be in my description box below. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.